In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious smothered gravy chicken and pasta recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cooked pasta, 2 chicken breasts sliced, 1 onion, 1 brown gravy packet, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Season the chicken with the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and the paprika and mix until evenly coated. Slowly add in the flour and mix until the flour is completely combined. In a pan over heat, add in the oil. Add the butter and melt. Add in the seasoned chicken. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Once the chicken is completely cooked, take it out into a bowl. In the pan with the remaining oil, add in the onions and saute them. Add in the brown gravy packet. Slowly add in 2 cups of water while mixing until there's no clumps left. Add in the chicken bouillon and mix. Add the chicken back into the sauce and coat completely and let simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Add in half of the parsley. Add the pasta and coat completely. Our smothered chicken and gravy pasta is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.